That was the case earlier today. That's where we find our very own Jordan Burroughs live at the mouth of Parley's. Jordan, it was messy out there today.
Alana, it's definitely cleared up a little bit. Windy and a little sleet right now. That's over 215 and over I-80. But earlier today at Parley's Canyon, you had a mix of everything from the sleet, the wind, the rain, and the snow, just all of it. UDOT will still be out here for a couple more hours monitoring these conditions. But earlier today, I spoke to a California man who's actually on vacation with his family. He arrived here today on vacation, but he says there's one issue. He's not really sure how to drive in these wintry conditions. April 14th means vacation.
It was completely unexpected.
For Californian David Hogan and his family, staying at Mount Air Canyon.
We've been watching the weather for several weeks, and we knew that we were going to get some cold weather and maybe some rain, but we never expected 4 to 6 inches of snow.
Hogan laughs because this is unusual for back home outside of Sacramento.
They're pretty much at the ready 24/7.
But for UDOT, this is usual.
We had up to 3 inches of snow an hour in Parley's Canyon for a period of the day today, which caused some pretty significant delays.
Delays mean trouble for anyone on the road, especially semis. This is just part of the chain-up area in Parley's Canyon. Within hours, it was night and day. How Parley's Canyon looked from this to this.
There really isn't a 9 to 5 shift when it comes to being a plow driver, so it takes a very dedicated type of crew.
That crew was able to help Hogan and his family enjoy their time together.
There was 0 snow going up this canyon. I bet it was very little snow or 0 snow all the way up on those roads.
Hogan says he's thankful for UDOT because this is what he said when we asked, as a Californian, how did he learn to drive in the snow?
We haven't. We're the people Utahns talk badly about when we're driving.
UDOT says if things do get a little worse out here tonight, they will be on call. They say they are always out and about 24/7. They say their biggest concern is with wet roads, as it probably is with David Hogan. Reporting live outside the mouth of Parley's Canyon, Jordan Burroughs, ABC 4 News.
Another day of dangerous winds, not just causing problems for commuters, the gusty winds knocking out power for many along the Wasatch Front this morning. More than 2,000 residents in Ogden, Bountiful, Salt Lake City, and South Salt Lake were affected, but crews did work overnight to help get it back on.